Hey everyone, this is G, and I want to show you this 10 by 10 inch commission that I just finished. I used the bloom technique, and I'm going to walk you through how I did it now. My pillow paint is the usual Sherwin-Williams color to go. This is used straight out of the can. Nothing, you don't need to change anything about it. And then my pouring medium for the colors uses the HGTV Infinity. That is the untinted base C, and I'm using the Varthen polyurethane gloss varnish to thin that. So it's 3 parts Infinity, 1 part gloss varnish, and then 1 part of paint. The cell activator is 3 parts of Australian float roll, 1 part of Amsterdam lamp black, and it's a little challenging getting a bloom to spread on a 10 by 10 canvas. I don't think I actually used enough paint to get it across, so I'm using a few swiping motions towards the corners just to kind of stretch the paint out to what I expect will be a blank spot at the end. So I'm doing the same thing to the second, third, and fourth corner, just so I don't have blank corners at the end. And if you didn't know, you can generally swipe with the same recipe that you use in a bloom for pretty good results. Remember to spin in both directions. This video is sped up. Do not actually spin it as fast as you're seeing it in the video. I just don't want to put you here for 10 minutes watching the canvas spin. While I have you here, don't forget to check out my online course at gpours.com if you want to learn more about acrylic pouring. I'll teach you all my tips and tricks and the science behind how it all works and what materials you need, and pretty much just everything in an organized manner, ready to go.